Everything from groceries to gas is more expensive in 2026. Does the means test for Chapter 7 take into account these local Southwest Florida cost of living increases? Or will my paper income disqualify me from a fresh start?
Hey everybody, today we're going to talk about the means test and what's going on with prices out there in the market. So a lot of people, when they're considering bankruptcy, they do a lot of this internet reading and they learn about this means test, this big scary means test that's out there when you have to file bankruptcy. What I want you to do is just forget about that means test. Come speak to us for a free consultation. We'll tell you everything you need to know about that means test. But for those of you who insist on knowing something right now, I will give you a little tip and pointer about it. Yes, your income for the last 6 months matters, and sometimes strategy goes is maybe we shouldn't file now, maybe you should file in a couple of months because of a certain pay period you had in the past 6 months. Maybe a bonus came in, maybe you had a lot of overtime. Another thing that changes every quarter, the expenses on those means test line items change. It's based upon U.S. Census data and IRS guidelines, and every quarter those numbers adjust. So it may be that in this quarter, maybe you don't qualify for a certain chapter of bankruptcy, but if we waited to the next quarter and the price index changes, you might absolutely qualify. Best thing to do is consult with a qualified bankruptcy attorney here at F&L Law Group, and we can go through whether or not you qualify and handle those numbers for you on the means test. We do a free consultation. We'd love to meet with you and talk to you about more details.